going to teach you how to make cannoli cake, which is something I've been baking for a very long time. You start off by putting all of your ingredients in a pan on the stove under medium heat. I do have this in fast forward mode since it is such a long video. But you do need to keep stirring the mixture or it will stick to the bottom. After about 10 minutes, you'll start to feel the mixture starting to thicken. Just keep mixing. It does take anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes to get to full thickness. And just like that, the cream starts to turn into like a thick paste. You're going to turn the heat off and keep stirring. This is when I always add more cinnamon in. Even though I have the cinnamon sticks in the mixture, I still like more cinnamon. Once you get all the cinnamon stirred in very well, you're going to let it sit on the stove and cool for about an hour, and then put it in the fridge so it can cool the rest of the time. I normally put my cakes in the fridge too, and then the next day I take everything out and I start to assemble. So here I am cutting the cake in half. This recipe will make 2 full cakes. I'm going to chop up some chocolate chips and the chocolate bar, almond chocolate bar that I have. I'm now going to take my mixture out of the fridge and I'm going to put the chocolate chips and the chocolate bar into the mixture. I'm also going to put some almonds in there and I'm going to mix well. It is going to be very thick and hard to mix, so sometimes I just use my hands and mix it all up. Once you get it mixed up, this is what it's going to look like. Don't forget to take out your cinnamon sticks. We don't want those in there. Then you're going to take your mixture and you're going to put it on the first layer of the bottom of the cake. You're going to take that mixture and spread it evenly. Once you have your mixture over both cakes and smooth out like this, you're going to take the top layer and you're going to put it right on over the mixture. And you're going to push it down a little bit, set it in place. It's going to look like a big cookie with some filling inside. Make sure it's all even. And to my surprise, we have this happen.
Please eat me, I'm delicious. I'll be the best you've ever had.
And what's a great baking adventure without some fun with your food? Now we're going to take the rest of the cream and cover the top layers of both cakes. You want to make sure that your cream mixture is spread evenly. Then it's time to take out our Cool Whip, and we're going to spread that all over the top of the cake. Once you spread over the Cool Whip over every part of the cake, it'll look like this. Then it's time to melt some chocolate. We're going to get us a bowl of ice, put that on the counter, and then we are going to melt the chocolate in the microwave at 30-second intervals. So 30 seconds, and then you're going to mix it, and then melt it for 30 seconds more until it gets to this kind of texture. You want to make sure that it's melted enough where it will drizzle right off the spoon into that cold water. And then you just make little designs of how you want it to look. I usually just zigzag it back and forth, and then it instantly gets hard. So once that happens, then I take a spoon and I put it out on the plate, just like I'm doing here. And I do that with the rest of the chocolate chip mixture. Once I'm done with the chocolate chip mixture, I'm going to put it in the fridge so that way it stays hard. And then I'm going to take my chocolates and almond, and I'm going to put it on top of the Cool Whip.
I can't do nothing with you.
So at the last minute, I seen some Hot Fudge in my fridge, and I decided I was going to use that on this cake too. So I melted that, and I am going to zigzag it all across the top of the cake. And you can use this or you don't have to. I just chose to because I felt like it would be a better fit with all the chocolate. But most of the time I don't have Hot Fudge, so I don't use it. Now I'm sprinkling all of the chocolate chunks from the candy bar on the top. And then I'm going to take out my chocolate design and put that in sideways of the cake. And you can use how many ever you want. This is a cake that needs to stay refrigerated so the chocolate will not melt. Now I'm going to put on some more almonds. And there you have it. That is the perfect cannoli cake.